To miss. In French, manquer. This is a tricky verb, isn't it? Let's clear this coming up. Hello, my friend. My name is Claire, and I'm here to teach you French with a smile. So, the very popular I miss you. How do you do that in French? You take the you and you put it at the beginning of the sentence. Just remember that in French, to miss, manquer, it is constructed the other way around. So, I miss you, tu me manques. Encore une fois, tu me manques. Ensemble, tu me manques. Excellent. Let's try with other persons. He. He misses her. I take her. Elle. He misses her. Elle lui manque. Encore une fois. Elle lui manque. Ensemble. Elle lui manque. Yes, now. She. She misses him. Take him. Il. She misses him. Il lui manque. Encore une fois, il lui manque. Ensemble, il lui manque. Very good. Now a plural. A plural. We miss them. We take them at the beginning. Il with an S. Il nous manque. Encore une fois, il nous manque. Ensemble, il nous manque. Very good. Now plural, singular together. They miss him. Take him and put it first. Il. They miss him. Il leur manque. Encore une fois. Il leur manque. Ensemble, il leur manque. Very good. Now with a feminine. They miss her. Elle leur manque. Encore une fois, elle leur manque. Ensemble, elle leur manque. Yes, this was to miss. So repeat this video to really get the hang of it. If you want one-to-one lessons, the link is below. And see you soon. Bye-bye.